Day 236 of content. Day 236 getting better. We're back at the Community Justice Center. Comprises of the court, the police station, community center. It's the hub. It's the Justice Center. So here's another piece of artwork. But today we are checking out some of the artwork here at the Justice Center. This is number 12, I believe. So, you know, if it isn't, I'm doing it off the top of my head. So if it isn't number 12, then we'll figure it out. "236 days of content, 236 days of getting better. We're gonna continue to become Mr. Lynnwood. Please like, share, and comment. And who knows, maybe I'll end it by taking a selfie with the mayor of Lynnwood.